Hello, guys. Welcome again. Myself, Mohsin Hassan. Welcome to the Knowledge for Professionals channel. Today I will guide you how to, reactivate or activate uh, the paused gigs. First of all, without any wastage of time, we will go on the Fiverr. This video basically specifically for Fiverr platform. If you are not using the Fiverr for long time, like 6 month, year, and you have the gigs, or once you activated the gigs as well. These gigs will be paused, or if you are not using for long time automatically, and no one can see your gigs. That's why if you want to reactivate, it has some specific process. So I will go you know no gigs is no gigs appear, pending approval no, pending approval appear, draft no, denied no, pause no. So the first of all, you can see what is your gig status mean. You can see the gig status mean. My gig status is paused. No one can see your gig. You may reactivate it whenever you like. For this purpose, I will just go on gig pattern or gig check, press it, and the two buttons will be appeared: activate and delete. So I will go with the uh, activate. That's the process. That's a simple process. And now I will verify, is it activated? Yeah. Now these my 3 gigs appeared in active tree. So I just make sure the or see the status of activate tab. Yeah, active. Your gig is visible and may be ordered by all users. So now my gig is available for any user or any buyer. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Uh, Thank you so much.